Ever wonder if there's a real link between the hours you study and your exam score? Or why ice cream sales seem to climb with the temperature? Data analysts answer these questions using a simple but powerful tool, the scatter plot. It's all about looking at two variables at once. Imagine a graph. On the bottom, x-axis, you plot the independent variable, the thing that might cause a change, like hours studied. On the side, y-axis, you plot the dependent variable, the thing being affected, like your test score. Each person's data becomes a single dot on the graph, creating a scatter of points. The pattern of these dots tells a story. If they form a line sloping up to the right, that's a positive correlation. As one thing increases, so does the other. Think height and weight. If the line slopes down, it's a negative correlation. As one increases, the other decreases, like a car's age versus its value. And if the dots are just a random cloud, that's zero correlation. Your shoe size has nothing to do with your IQ. The strength of the relationship depends on how tightly these dots hug a straight line. But here's the most important rule. Correlation does not prove causation. Ice cream sales and shark attacks both increase in the summer. Does eating ice cream cause shark attacks? Of course not. A third factor, the hot weather, drives both. Always question the relationship. To make predictions, we draw a line of best fit, straight through the middle of the points, following the trend with roughly half the dots above and half below. This line lets us make educated guesses. We can predict a value inside our data range, called interpolation. Predicting outside the range, or extrapolation, is much riskier, as the trend might not continue. So, a scatter plot does more than connect dots. It reveals hidden relationships and, more importantly, teaches us to look for the real story behind the numbers.